The secondary catechism of the second degree of Masonry. Notes: Q stands for question, although some questions contained in this catechism are actually statements rather than questions, with one being a test. And A stands for answer. All answers that are marked with an exclamation point are secrets of the second degree of Masonry. This equals 4 secrets in total. All questions and answers and sets of questions and answers that are marked with 3 asterisks must be memorized by a fellow craft Mason within 4 months and 2 weeks after being initiated as a fellow craft Mason. And they must be memorized before he or she can become an official or full-fledged fellow craft Mason and receive a Masonic diploma for the second degree of Masonry. This equals 24 questions and answers in total. All questions and answers and sets of questions and answers that are marked with 1 asterisk must be memorized by a fellow craft Mason within 3 years, 6 months, and 2 weeks after becoming a full-fledged fellow craft Mason. And they must be memorized before he or she can progress to the 3rd and highest degree of Masonry. This equals 10 questions and answers in total. If a question and answer or a set of questions and answers is marked with a hyphen, it means that the answer or answers do not have to be memorized verbatim. This catechism consists of 43 questions and answers in total. Part 1 of 3. Question: in Masonry, what is the term the craft short for? Answer: witchcraft. Question: show me the sign of distress of a fellow craft Mason. Answer: show the sign of distress of a fellow craft Mason. Question: what does the sign of distress of a fellow craft Mason allude to? Answer: it alludes to self-surrender, self-sacrifice, and self-salvation, and to past Master Hiram Abiff's assassination. Question: how do you show the sign of distress of a fellow craft Mason in the dark? Answer: the answer to this question is a secret. Question: what passages of the Holy Bible do the words of the sign of distress of a fellow craft Mason allude to? Answer: verses 1 through 35 of chapter 13 of the Gospel according to St. Matthew, verses 29 through 34 of chapter 20 of the Gospel according to St. Matthew, verses 1 through 34 of chapter 4 of the Gospel according to St. Mark, and verses 1 through 21 of chapter 8 of the Gospel according to St. Luke. Question: show me the sign of the mysterious letter Shin. Answer: show the sign of the mysterious letter Shin. Question: what does the sign of the mysterious letter Shin allude to? Answer: it alludes to the nickname Shekinah, which is a Jewish nickname for God. Question: what is the meaning of the nickname Shekinah? Answer: heavenly feminine presence. Question: is the sign of the mysterious letter Shin one of the secrets of Masonry? Answer: no. Question: what passages of the Holy Bible are associated with the sign of the mysterious letter Shin? Answer: verses 22 through 24 of chapter 9 of the 3rd book of Moses called Leviticus, verses 22 through 27 of chapter 6 of the 4th book of Moses called Numbers, verse 8 of chapter 10 of the 5th book of Moses called Deuteronomy, and verse 5 of chapter 21 of the 5th book of Moses called Deuteronomy. Question: recite verses 22 through 24 of chapter 9 of the 3rd book of Moses called Leviticus from the Holy Bible. Answer: and Aaron lifted up his hand toward the people and blessed them, and came down from offering of the sin of offering, and the burnt offering, and peace offerings. And Moses and Aaron went into the tabernacle of the congregation and came out and blessed the people. And the glory of the Lord appeared unto all the people. And there came a fire out from before the Lord, and consumed upon the altar the burnt offering and the fat, which when all the people saw, they shouted and fell on their faces. Question: what is the meaning of the name Leviticus? Answer: of the Levites. Question: what is the meaning of the name Levi? Answer: uniter. Question: recite verses 22 through 27 of chapter 6 of the 4th book of Moses called Numbers from the Holy Bible. Answer: and the Lord spake unto Moses, saying, speak unto Aaron and unto his sons, saying, on this wise ye shall bless the children of Israel, saying unto them, the Lord bless thee and keep thee. The Lord make his face shine upon thee and be gracious unto thee. The Lord lift up his countenance upon thee and give thee peace. And they shall put my name upon the children of Israel, and I will bless them. Question: recite verse 8 of chapter 10 of the 5th book of Moses called Deuteronomy from the Holy Bible. Answer: at that time the Lord separated the tribe of Levi to bear the ark of the covenant of the Lord, to stand before the Lord to minister unto him, and to bless in his name unto this day. Question: recite verse 5 of chapter 21 of the 5th book of Moses called Deuteronomy from the Holy Bible. Answer: and the priests, the sons of Levi, shall come near, for them the Lord thy God hath chosen to minister unto him, and to bless in the name of the Lord. And by their word shall every controversy and every stroke be tried. Question: what is the meaning of the name Deuteronomy? Answer: reiterated law. Question: show me the sign of receiving wages. Answer: show the sign of receiving wages. Question: what does the sign of receiving wages allude to? Answer: it alludes to the spiritual nature of Masonic work and the spiritual nature of the rewards of Masonic work. Question: can you speak the word of recognition of a fellow craft Mason to me? Answer: I can. Question: then let me hear the word. Answer: the answer to this question is a secret.